Hello everyone, let me introduce about myself. My name is Lê Việt Quốc. I'm studying at the University of Science and Technology. My major is Electronics and Telecommunication. Today I would like to tell you about 10 conversations. The conversation 1. The woman said to the man that their office were cleaner on Monday and Wednesday. The man asked the woman that if they clean it on Friday. The woman disagreed with that because she thought twice a week was enough. The man complained that 2 times were hardly enough. The conversation 2. The woman asked the man if the coffee machine working yet. The man answered that it took all morning to fix it. The woman thought it would be broken again before too long. The man suggested enjoy her coffee while she can. The conversation 3. The man said to the woman that they need a new copy machine because it had taken 1 minute just to copy 8 pages. The woman complained that it was very slow and addictive, that less than 500 pages an hour. The man complained that they should never get it finished at this rate. The conversation 4. The man complained with the woman that he called that number every time, but he got a busy signal. The woman asked the man how often he tried. The man answered that every hour, and he would try one more time. The conversation 5. The woman asked the man if the mail come. The man replied that it usually comes just before noon, but sometime earlier. The woman hoped it was early that day. The man asked the woman that if expecting something important. The conversation 6. The woman said to Mr. Brennan that his check was put in the mail the day before. The man thought that means work would be arrived the week after. The woman asked to the man that gave her a call if it did arrive by that Friday. The man agreed about that. The conversation 7. The man said to the woman that Mr. Chu joined the company in August. The woman asked if Mr. Wallace joined in August too. The man agreed about that, but he said Mr. Chu joined in the year before. The woman complained that how time flies. The conversation 8. The woman asked the man if he felt like to see the movie that night. The man agreed about that and suggested a horror film. The woman disagreed about that because she didn't in the mood to be scared, and she said they were showing a kids film. The man disagreed about that because he didn't like cartoon. And he asked her what else they were showing. The woman gave him 2 choices. That were adventure and romance. Finally, they would see 2 adventure films. The conversation 9. The woman said to the man that she visited her aunt in the hospital the night before. The man asked the woman how long she had been sick. The woman replied that was a long time, but her aunt just went to the hospital the week before. The man commented that it was a long time to be in the hospital, and he hoped her aunt get well soon. The conversation 10. The man said to the woman that he took Mrs. Arnold at the airport the day before. They almost missed the plane, and they got there only a half hour to spare. The woman said, "See here, Mrs. Owner would be gone for 3 weeks." But the man confirmed not, only for 2. Thank you for listening.